Hey guys, it's Hypercube, and today I'm going to show you how to do the Superflip pattern. Okay, so I'll just tell you what the Superflip pattern is. All it is the corners stay in their actual spot. All it is you take every edge and flip it around. And that's why you can't do this pattern with a 2x2, because it doesn't have any edges. And to put your cube in the Superflip pattern, you can start from anywhere, facing any side. And what you do is you take the middle piece, the middle slice, and you move it down. Then you take the top face, turn it counterclockwise, and then you repeat those two moves 4 times. And then what you do is you rotate the cube like this, and then like this. And then you do those couple moves for another 4 times. Then you do the same rotations and do those same 2 moves. And after 3 times of doing that, you will have the Superflip pattern. So this pattern is best for odd layered puzzles such as a 3x3, 5x5, 7x7, and up, but you can do it for even layered puzzles as well. So for the 4x4, you just do the same exact thing as a 3x3, is you move the middle slice down, and the middle slice being 2 of the middle layers, and then do those same moves and the same exact rotations. And this is what the Superflip looks like on a 4x4. And so for a 5x5, it's a little bit different. So what you need to do is you take the middle 3 layers and act as the one middle layer. And again, you just, for the first one, you do the very top side. So like this. And you repeat that, and you do it until you get the regular Superflip pattern, like this. But for a 5x5, you can take it a step further. So what you can do is you take the very middlemost layer and move it down 1. But then this part is important. You have to take 2 of the top layers. Again, that's the middlemost layer down, and then 2 of the top layers. And you repeat that 4 times. And then you rotate and do the same thing. Again, 2 layers. And then now, it's even further Superflip. For a 6x6, it'd be very similar to a 5x5 in the amount of moves, but it's the same as a 4x4 in that it doesn't have a middlemost layer. So again, you do the biggest middle layer, and just 1 top layer, 3 times, or 4 times, and then you rotate. And you do that for the rest of the first pattern, like that. And then you take just 2 middle layers, and then 2 top layers. Rotate and do it again. And then 1 more time. This is the Superflip on a 6x6. And then for a 7x7, again, this is where I would take it up a notch. So again, you do all the middle layers, and then 1 top layer.
You keep doing that. Rotate. Do it again. Rotate and do it again.
So that's the regular Superflip. Then you take the 3 inner layers and 2 top layers.
And we do that pattern, rotating it again. Again.
And then for 7x7, you can take it another step further. So you take the innermost layer and move it down, and you take 3 top layers. And at first, you probably want to make sure that you're turning the right layers, because if you make one move, it'll mess it up and you'll have to solve the cube again. So you rotate and do that again.
And that's 3 layers on top. One more.
And this is where the pattern really starts to look cool, is anything bigger than a 7x7. And from a 7x7 up, the deeper you go, the more layers you would have to turn. So you could apply this for however big a cube you have. Alright, I hope you like this video. Go ahead and hit like and comment if you have any questions. And I'll see you in the next one.